Hello everybody, dalam kesempatan ini kita akan belajar tentang preposition. Preposition dalam bahasa Indonesia dikenal dengan kata depan. Now we will study about preposition in English. Yes. What is the definition of preposition? Preposition is a word used to link noun, pronoun, or phrase to other words within a sentence. Preposisi adalah kata yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan dengan kata benda, kata ganti, atau frasa pada kata-kata dalam kalimat. Ya. Preposisi dibagi menjadi dua. Preposition is divided into two parts. They are preposition of time and preposition of place. Ya. Preposition of time. There are 5 kinds of preposition of time. They are at, on, in, since, and for. At, the meaning of at, pada. Yes. At, for example, at night, at noon, at the weekend, at lebaran, at lunchtime, and etc. Yes. The example, he gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. We always go to canteen at lunchtime. Now, how we use on? On in preposition of time, it is for day and date. Yeah. For example, on Monday, on 19 January 2010. Yes. She was born on Wednesday, on 12 July 2017. Now, in. Yeah. In, the meaning of in is D. For example, in 2020, in September, in spring, in winter, in autumn, in summer, in the afternoon, in a few minutes, in 3 weeks, and etc. The example of in: I graduated from senior high school in 2012. Yes, now we study about since. Yeah. Since, the meaning of sin is sejak. Since, the usage of since from a certain point of time, past until now. The example, they have lived in this city since 1999. Yes, now for. Yeah. For, the meaning of for in Indonesia is selama. The usage of for a certain period of time. The example, he has been sleeping for 30 minutes. This is the kind of preposition of time. And the next, we study about preposition of place. There are some kind of preposition of place. The first, it is at. Yeah. For example, at home, at school, at the bus stop, at the bank, at the doctor's, at the party, at the end of street, and etc. For example, I met her at the party last night. She buys some cakes at the bakeries. On the table, on the wall, on the floor, on the right, on the left, on foot, on the television, on the beach, and etc. For example, we play volleyball on the beach. She goes to market on foot. Next, in the basement, in Indonesia, in Kudus, in the room, in the sky, in the forest, and etc. For example, the birds fly in the sky. We enjoy panorama in the mountain. Next, beside. The meaning of beside and next to is same. It is di samping atau di sebelah. Yeah. The meaning of beside or next to in English is left or right somebody or something. For example of beside, I sit beside my friend in the classroom. And the example of next to, the bank is next to the hotel. And then the differences between and among. Between, it is for two things, and among, it is for a lot of things. For example, The restaurant is between the hotel and the bookstore. And among, the key is among the books. And then, the differences between above and over. The meaning in Indonesia of above and over is same, di atas, but the usage is different. For above, higher than something else, but not directly over it. And over meaning more than. Yeah. This is the example of above. The statement above are correct. And over, she falls over the carpet. Yeah. And then under and below. The meaning under and below in Indonesia is same, di bawah, but the usage is different too. Other, for example, other, the meaning of other, on the ground, lower than, or covered by something else. For example, the magazine is under the table. And below, lower than something else but above ground. For example, look at the sentence below. And in front of. What is the meaning of in front of? In front of is front of something. For example, the whiteboard is front of the class. And behind the meaning of back of something. For example, the swimming pool is behind the hotel. Yes. Okay, this is the preposition of time and the preposition of place. Di antaranya, and then this is time for you to study more about preposition, and I have give you exercise about preposition. The first, my sister blah 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 school now. The second, he came here blah 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 the evening. The third, we have known each other blah 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 2 years. The fourth, he has been a businessman blah 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 2002. 5. The cinema blah 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 is the 3rd floor. 6. Sultan Fried Chicken is blah 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 English cars and drug store. 7. We will begin to study blah 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 July. 8. The students always have a flag ceremony blah 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 Mondays. 9. Indonesians usually celebrate Independence Day blah 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 17 August. 10. The singer sings a song blah 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 the crowded people. This is the exercise of preposition, and it's time to you to fill the blank in the blank of preposition. And then I have you answer key, but before you see the answer key, you must do the exercise at first. After that, you can correct one by one about the answer of preposition. I think it's enough for our material today about preposition, and see you.